Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're featuring the Britax Endeavours, which is an infant car seat that can be used from 4 to 35 pounds up to 32 inches. We'll start by going over some of its design features. It has high quality fabrics and padding made with Nanotex technology. It's made to resist stains, moisture, and odor. It has a large weatherproof canopy with a mesh peekaboo window for extra ventilation. The harness has 6 positions with no rethreading necessary. It's directly compatible with Britax strollers like the Be Free to give you an easy travel system. Next, we'll go over the safety features that they've included. The headrest contains side impact protection to protect your baby's head, neck, and torso. It comes with a base that has an industrial strength steel frame. It also has a European belt path to install if you don't use the base. The base has an adjustable recline with bubble indicators to help you install it properly, an anti-rebound bar, and their patented safe cell technology. This area in the base compresses to reduce the force of a collision and divert crash energy away from your baby. Now we'll go over the installation processes. First, we'll start by showing how to install with the base. To start, adjust the recline of the base until the red marker on the bubble indicator is visible between the 2 lines. If you want to install the base using the latch system, begin by pressing and holding the lower connector release button and then pulling the lower connectors out of their storage location. Push the red button on top of the base to lengthen the lower connector straps as needed. Press the lower connectors onto their respective lower anchors until you hear a click. While pressing the center of the base into the seat, pull up on the lower connector adjuster straps to tighten. Feed any excess webbing back into the base. Check your installation, making sure that the base does not move more than 1 inch at the belt path. Check the recline bubble indicator as well. If you prefer to install with the vehicle seatbelt instead, pull it down and route the seatbelt through the belt route in the base. Make sure nothing gets twisted and then buckle the seatbelt. Press the base firmly into the vehicle seat while removing all slack, first from the lap portion and then the shoulder portion of the vehicle seatbelt. Slide the shoulder belt under the lock-off on the opposite side of the base. Check your installation. Double check the recline bubble indicator as well. Once the base is properly installed with either method, place the Endeavours into the base until you hear it click. Ensure that the carry handle is in one of the 4 locked positions and check that the recline angle is still correct. You're ready to go. To take the seat off the base, simply pull the release lever on the back of the car seat and lift up. If you don't have the base handy, you can easily install it without the base with the European belt route. We'll show you how to do that. First, buckle your child securely into the car seat with the harness, and then place the car seat rear facing onto the vehicle seat. Pull the vehicle seatbelt out and route only the lap portion through the belt guides. Buckle the seatbelt. Wrap the shoulder belt around the shell and through the clip on the back. Lock your vehicle seatbelt as instructed by your vehicle owner's manual while removing all the slack from the seatbelt. Check your installation. Double check the recline angle, making sure that the level line on the carrier is level to the ground. We love the Britax Endeavours car seat because it can be safely installed with or without the base. It's perfect whether you drive your own car or if you take Ubers and Lyfts. Thanks for watching. To shop this car seat or any other Britax car seat, go to babycubby.com where orders over $25 or more ship for free. To learn more about the Britax Be Safe Ultra, check out this video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.